It's the 31st of January, and that means it's time for this month's haul video. Now, this big old box is already old news. Go and have a look at yesterday's video and you'll see what I got in my private warehouse shipment. But now it's time to have a look at all the other things that I got throughout the month of January. So let's have a look. What did we get in for Gunpla this month? So my last order of December was actually these guys. I went to Kid Altverse for the first time, but unfortunately I didn't realise that the day that I placed my order is the day that they close for Christmas. So I had to wait a good few weeks to get them, but good things come to those who wait. So I got the Crossbone Gundam X1 full cloth type GBFT. And the High New Gundam in high grade. I'm not a big enough fan of the design to get it in real grade, but I thought I'd give the high grade a go. And then from the OE shop, I got a couple of kits. These were delayed because they are based in Edinburgh, and it took a long time for it to get down because we had some really bad storms up that way. So yeah, these took a few days longer because they was delayed. So I got myself the Gundam Legolas. I haven't seen this reprinted for quite a while. I haven't seen any other shop stocking it so far, so I was happy to pick that up. And at the same time, I got myself the Lightning Back Weapon System Mark III. Spoiler alert, Mark II is in the post. So I was happy to pick that up and add that to the Build Fighters collection. And then from my favourite place, Sarugia, I got myself the RX-78-2 Gundam Earth Colour. I was quite happy to see this available so soon and also for a decent price. This is a limited edition that's only available at the next Future event, which is currently going on in Japan. So yeah, really cool colour scheme. Happy to add that one to the collection. And then from my good friends over at Gundam Mad, I got myself the P Bandai Cathedral Gundam, and I got myself the SD version of the gun cannon because I really wanted to get the gun tank in the SD because I think it looks really cute. Spoiler alert, that's in the post as well. And yeah, I wanted this guy to accompany it so I could have all the Operation V sets in SD form. So yeah, that is it for the Gunpla. Let's move on and see what I've got for the action figures. So for the action figures, I popped onto eBay and I found this. This is a clear black version of the Wing Gundam, the mobile suit in action, all the way back from sometime in the 2000s. The original was 2000, not sure when this clear version was made. But yeah, the packaging's a little bit beat up, but the figure, from far as I can tell, brand new and minty fresh inside, so happy to have that guy in the collection. Finally, I went over to Amazon.com to import some of the Gundam Universe figures. Now, unfortunately, there is a little bit of a Gundam Universe figure supply shortage in the UK. Bandai no longer supply the Cosmic Group, which is the European version of Bluefin, with the Gundam Universe figures, and Bandai are supplying shops directly, and not many shops seem to be taking up the line, so haven't been able to really find them in the UK, or they're massively delayed if they are. So I popped stateside and I was able to get the Strike Freedom Gundam Type 2. This was the last figure that I needed to complete the wave that I got in December. I also got the latest Amazon exclusive. This is the Hyper Mode Master Gundam, so basically a gold shiny version of the regular Master Gundam. And I also got the two Gundam Requiem for Vengeance figures. We got the Gundam EX and the Zaku 2 Unidentified Type Solari. So really happy to have those guys in the collection, and it also brings my Gundam Universe collection back to 100% completion status. And that is it for January's haul videos, part 1 and 2. I hope you enjoyed unboxing everything with me. Be sure to follow me here on TikTok and all the other social medias. Have a look at my link tree in the bio. That'll take you elsewhere that you can follow me, because you'll want to come back at least at the end of February to see what I get in February's haul, because yeah, I've already got some more parcels in motion because I just can't help myself. But yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.